Well, it's been a couple days. I spent a couple days trying to figure out how to mount the temperature sensor, but I finally figured it out how exactly this mounts. I do not have a screw for this, but how this works is, so that hood latch, and you see these two holes. You hook this up. Mine is going to have to be like this, but mine goes like, and there's multiple ways to do it, but the way I figured it out, it's just like this, and you just grab a screw. I don't know if you just grab a random screw, or but when I ordered the temperature sensor, it did not come with it. So, but I mean, obviously I'm gonna have to find a screw for this, but that's how you mount your temperature sensor, and that's where it goes. Keep in mind this applies to a 1988 to 2002 Dodge Ram. Well, 2500, 3500 models. The 1500s again is 98 to 2001. But that's how you mount it. And I'll try to find a screw, and that's pretty much about it. Obviously the wiring harness. When you hook it up, it's likely going to have these plastic rivets, and they will like mount up to the very top of the hood. But I've been very frustrated because I couldn't find answers of where to mount this part, and I finally figured it out. So since I figured it out, and I couldn't find anything with forums either, so I decided to, and this is why I decided to make a video out of it, so it can actually help someone. And there will be legit information on there if anyone wants to do the project that I just did. So that's pretty much about it. The CAN bus is still like acting up. I might have to either get flashed over or have the CAN bus diagnosed, but I guess, but I did decide to figure out the temperature sensor. So hopefully this helps, and have a good day.